What if you could create a high converting Facebook ads with AI in just 5 minutes without hiring agency, or you don't need to have any so in this video we especially talk about leads. For example, you want to generate leads for your business. No matter you are a gym, real estate, or any business who need leads, it's for you. For running Facebook lead ads, let's get started. How? First option is doing manual. So basically, we tell you we do it with AI. So just head over to growtake.com. So it's a AI powered ads agent. It help you create, launch, and optimize your ads. So just click on the access now and get the free trial. Just go to this dashboard and let's get create the ads. So before go to GrowTake AI dashboard for running ads. For in this video, we have an example of a gym called Web Gyms. So they provide personal training and they want to run ads for generating leads for their personal training program. So let's get started and head over to GrowTech dashboard. Okay. You can see this clean dashboard where you can see all of the ad platform. For now, for this specific video, we decide we run ads for a gym for Meta or Facebook ads. First, here you can connect your ads account simply clicking, and then you can get started. So before we start, we need to define for which brand we need to run ads. So that's why when you click on the brand context and just paste your website or your social media URL and hit generate, it will automatically create a brand. Here you can see it says the brand name is Web Gyms Industry. It automatically select the industry, business descriptions, and also here is the important, what's your two goal for ads. We specifically need to collect leads with a form and also get more messages from people. Okay, then language number, it's optional, and here you can pick your primary color, and here is your business address. Okay, and just click next. Next, here is the brand voice where you can tell all of the things what need to avoid, what the target audience, all over. But for now we go with GrowTech AI suggestions brand voice. Click next. Now here you can see GrowTech AI automatically scan your website and find some prompt mean products. Okay, so for now we want to promote personal training, so it's automatically there, and just hit create ads. And now GrowTech AI will suggest we need to run ads for Meta. Click on Meta. When you click on Meta, here you can see it automatically select goals personal training. So for now, here is the prompt section, or you can improve the prompt and prompt it what you need to tell AI. So for now we just getting suggestion from GrowTech AI. Here it can tell you like at the marketing angle. For example, we want to, okay, free trial and personal training available. And also if you want to add some audience focus, for now I think 18 to 45 people are, and gender is all, and just update the prompt. Our AI will automatically update all of the prompt. You don't need to worry. Here you can see it automatically says what to do. It's not our primary text, it's just creating. Next, we need to add some raw picture. So if you have your own creative, you can upload, or we want to generate, so that's why it's we can tick all of this. And just I quickly upload some images where we need to design my creatives. This one. And also you can scan your website, and here you can find all of those. For now I just need one more. Okay, that's it. So we need generate ad copy, generate audience, and generate creative. So if I click on generate, and it will automatically create all of the things for us. So my work is done, you can say. So what we do, I just clearly explain all of this with summary. First, here we update our brand context, like simple URL, and our AI will find all of the things. Next, here we have create our prompt, and it's a, by the way, optional. You can go with what AI suggests, but for some improvement we just add some things. Okay, now we just add some raw images. So that's why our AI will create creative research and everything. And here you can also see like reading your website, understand your business, generating targetings, writing ad copy, and finalizing creative. And here you can see all of the things is going on the back end. It just probably need a minute. Great. So now you can see GrowTake AI will automatically create different variation of ad videos, images for you, and also in different categories like story, feed, everything. Okay. So we see one by one. Before that, what we also generate, it generate primary text, headlines. Next is call to action. We select learn more. Next is targetings, and also we need to create our lead form and also budget. So step by step, I will give you the glimpse of what it did. So first, here you can see it select four images, four videos for testing purposes. For example, it will create his great job. We need to more and more video. Any other option I will show you. So you can see different type of creative. For example, in any case you want to generate more creatives, so you don't need to go anywhere or design. You can also upload your own by clicking this, or you can generate more and more creatives. This one look good, or we need to do more. So there will be more. The template will be like editable option, there will be there. Okay, so no worry, it's depend on you. Here is a multiple tool for generating. You can get the trial access and you can experience all of this. Okay, for this video I am focusing more over how to launch. Okay, so now here you can see the primary text, and in this primary text here you can see it will explain all of the stuff. Or if you think okay, I need to change something, there is a three purple button, just click on this, and here is the option shorter, longer, or you can change the tone of anything. Okay, after that there is a call to action. We select learn more. After that, here is the targeting option, so which people can see your ad. Here you can see all of the targetings, and also it suggests, or if you think I need to add more, it's you can do that. Okay, after that here you can see it select the age and maximum and minimum age, select the locations, and that's it. We don't need advanced stuff for this video, just save. Okay, now we need main thing is, for example, we create our ads, but when people click on this, we need a form or any form of things that's we collect the leads. Okay, that's why we can create the leads. Okay, lead form. Okay, here you can type your lead form name. For this random, it's select. After that, we need a personalization grading. By the way, you don't need to type anything, just click on the add grading. GrowTake AI will automatically create the kitty. Okay, here you can unlock your 25% off on your fitness journey. That's the little description. When people click on your ad, and they will see this. Okay, or you can also change this according to you. After that, you need a form type. So we just select from more volume for default. After that, what the thing you need to ask this page, like I need to ask for full name, email, and phone number, and that's it. We just need these informations. After that, here you can ask some multiple questions, because it not be obviously not there. So for example, I want to add some questions, so that's why I get more and more qualified lead. You can ask some question, or you can ask GrowTake for generate. Just click on the little purple button, and here you can see it automatically create a question. What is your current fitness experience level? Or if you need more, for example, a short question, just click generate, and it will automatically generate. What fitness goal are you looking to achieve? Okay, or if you think okay, I need more and more questions, so that's why I can get only higher intent buyer, it's according to you. You can see that. Okay, after that it says the policy. You can paste your privacy policy, or if you don't have any privacy policy, you can paste facebook privacypolicy.com. Or after that, complete the form where people goes. So you can add your headline already there, and here you can paste your website, or you can select the business number. Okay, so just I create the form. Okay, our form has been created successfully. After that, we need to add our budget. So for example, most of the people confuse about their budget. Here our AI will suggest, and if you think we need more recommendation, here you can type your like price. For example, this personal training price is 6,000 rupees per month. Okay, just 6,000, enter and hit generate, and it will automatically suggest how many spent and all of the psychological expert why this price is validated. So it will select 500 rupees per day. Okay, after that, just when we hit the launch button, our ad will be launched. If I hit on the launch campaign button, it will be launched. So just for you people, just I launch the campaign because it's not my business. For example purpose, I launch the campaign. It might be take a minutes because it's check your privacy policy, check your all of the Facebook policies, and then it will be published. Okay. Okay, our ad will be successfully launched. So after the launch, how you can see the result and all of the stuff, so just scroll down and here you can see we launched this campaign and started, and here is the little grab button, just click on this, and now you can see all of the things like how much spend, clicks, ctr, cpc, and leads. And by the way, all of the lead you can download from there. Just click on this little download button and that's it. Okay. And also all of the activities, for example, if you change anything you can get that. And next is the basic data, all of the things, and also this is the tracking. Now we create the ads, it's check for approve. When it's approved, it show, it automatically get view and do the A/B testing stuffs. That's it. Okay. So here is the result, and we show it the result with the simplest form. For example, when you launch your campaign, our AI will day by day suggest you for better result optimization. So when you click on that, our AI will automatically suggest all of the things, the issue solution, everything. Or you can directly click on the optimization and insight, and here you can see all of the best performing ad creatives. Like for now we select multiple primary text, so headlines, images, and all of the things. If we turn on this button, our AI will automatically optimize your ads. Okay. And also if you want to change anything like edit all of the stuff, just create edit and just launch, it will be like editable. Okay. Okay. So that's it for this video. And it's not just Facebook ad, you can run also Google ads on multiple platform. So I would highly recommend you just visit to growtake.com. I probably like pin comment on that, like growtake.com. Go sign up for the free trial and launch your first ads using AI. And I will tell you it can like take few minutes. I will explain you all of the stuff, that's why it take some time, but it takes few minutes and you can launch your own ads. You don't need to hire agency, don't need to pay huge fees. Okay. So and also like and subscribe the channel, so that's why I can give you the AI marketing update every week and every day. Okay. And I'll be on another side. Thank you. Bye.